guys, so I got a pail here filled quarter way with some water. We'll go ahead and add a little bit of blooming and rooting solution. Just low strength. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and soak these 2 climbing roses and then plant them within the next 2 hours. So just mix that up. So it's currently a war zone out here. That's what it feels like. That's what it sounds like. So over here, on this bump out, I'm gonna go ahead and put these 2 blaze climbing roses. That one right there, it'll stretch out about a good 8 feet, probably more than that. And this one as well, and they'll meet each other, and this one can kind of wrap around the back so that we can get a little more color in this area. I've got this butterfly bush, which oddly I forgot to prune. I pruned everything else in this bed, I guess because it was getting a little dark, and I just happened to miss it. I'll go ahead and whack it down shortly. So I'm gonna go ahead and soak these 2 roses. Okay. Then plop that in there for a little bit. Let's take this one out of its package. Hurting anything, still being on there. All right, garden friends. So welcome to another episode of AJ's Green Thumb. This afternoon, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 blaze climbing roses to this 16-foot fence bump out. So far in this bed area, I have 2 butterfly bushes that get roughly 6-7 feet tall, but I pruned them to control their height. I've got a jessamine vine right here. It's just taken off. This is the 2nd year. In addition to the butterfly bushes, I've got 2 little lamb hydrangeas. They're paniculatas. They get to be roughly 4-5 feet tall and wide. And I guess you can call the ground cover. Those plants are all sedum. So I got to get some more sedum to kind of pack this front area. Whew. And I also have a whole bunch of honeybees right above me going bonkers on this red bud. I don't know if they like me or not, but we shall see. I still got work to do. Telling you guys, this part of spring is a real sweet spot in the season because the nights are still chilly to the point where you don't have that much mosquito activity, because right now at this time of day in the middle of summer, there's no way I can be out here with shorts, short sleeves, without lathering up with a whole bunch of insect repellent. There's just no way, because I'll be eaten alive. Hey garden friends, AJ's Green Thumb here. So I'm trying to get ahead on this project I have here. So what I'm gonna do now is kind of erect a long trellis system for support in my climbing roses. The materials I have, clearly a drill, a power drill, a standard hammer, some double point staples, some exterior wood screws, roughly 3.5 inches long, and some wire mesh sheets, which are roughly 4 by 6 feet long, something like that.